Welcome, Sinclair School of Nursing graduates, friends, families, and alumni. I'm sorry we are not able to be together to mark this memorable day. However, I look forward to seeing you face to face at our official graduation when it's safe to do so. The Sinclair School of Nursing faculty are cheering you forward from our hearts. This year especially, the world has seen what we have always known, the immense power and passion of nurses. Nurses are working tirelessly to save the lives of people worldwide. I am excited to see how far you, our graduates, go as you step beyond Sinclair School of Nursing. You will make a difference in the lives of many people. Without further ado, I, Dean Thompson, am proud to be the first to present some of the Sinclair School of Nursing graduating class 2020.
We are the Sinclair School of Nursing, class of 2020. Hear us roar!
We have been through so much together, the ups and some downs.
We worked hard.
But we worked hard.
But we have worked hard and it has paid off.
Instead of wearing a graduation gown and walking across the stage today,
we wear the pride of our invested years.
Instead of the hugs from our family and friends,
we have the virtual support of our professors,
our school, and our campus.
We are ready for what lies ahead.
We have the knowledge, we have the tools.
We have the drive.
We are Mizzou Nursing Strong.
Thank you to our alumni.
They have gone before us
and spent time turning back and giving your hearts,
your donations, and guidance.
Thank you to our professors for your hard work,
inspiration, and for believing in us
and pushing us through the tough times.
Today we joined the ranks of MU Sinclair School of Nursing graduates.
After today, we will scatter to do our jobs
all over the world, but one thing will remain.
And that is the bond we share.
The Sinclair School of Nursing.
The Sinclair School of Nursing
class of 2020.
We are Mizzou Nursing Strong!